Video number 7, the Batch Scheme. How the Immigration Service can help with your visa application. This presentation provides details about the batch scheme operated by the Immigration Service in the International Office at the University of Warwick. The University of Warwick offers students the opportunity to make use of the batch scheme. This is a scheme whereby institutions can check and submit Tier 4 applications to the Home Office on behalf of its students and their dependents. There is a dedicated team at the Home Office that process such applications. The Immigration Service will post your application to the Home Office for you at no additional cost. We are then able to make contact with caseworkers at the Home Office who are processing your application if necessary. By making use of this scheme, the Immigration Service is able to easily keep track of your application, and we can deal with any queries the Home Office may have about your application on your behalf. We would advise any student at Warwick wishing to make a postal Tier 4 application in the UK to make use of this batch service. It is much harder for the Immigration Service to help you if you incur a problem with an application you have submitted independently. Should you wish to make use of this service, you are required to make an appointment to meet with an advisor in the International Office. Before your first appointment, we would expect you to have created an account on the Home Office website and started to fill in the personal details section of the online Tier 4 application form. At your appointment, we would then check through your complete application carefully to ensure it meets the Tier 4 requirements. Please do not make the final application fee payment until we have checked your application, as you cannot change any of the information on the online form after this point. You should refer to video number 2 for details of what documents are needed for a Tier 4 application. Please be aware that the Immigration Service will only submit applications through the batch scheme if we are happy that you have a complete and valid application. Contact details for the Immigration Service can be found on video number 10. Throughout your application, we will act as the correspondent and will receive any paperwork from the Home Office on your behalf. Your passport, visa and documents will be returned to the Immigration Service once caseworkers have processed your application, and we will contact you when these are received to come and collect them from us. The process of applying through the batch scheme at Warwick is as follows. You will first complete the online Tier 4 application form. You pay the application fee by credit or debit card. Your supporting documents are then posted to the Home Office by special delivery by the Immigration Service. The Home Office will then send you a biometric letter asking you to go and provide your fingerprints and your photo. Within 15 days of the date of that letter, you should then go and provide your biometric data at a designated post office. Once you have done this, your application is then passed to a caseworker at the Home Office for a decision to be made. Once a decision has been made on your application, your passport and original documents will then be returned to the Immigration Service. Your biometric residence permit, or BRP, will then be sent to the Immigration Service separately by courier, usually within 7 days. The Immigration Service will take a copy of your BRP and record the details of the new visa you are granted on your student record. We will then contact you to come and collect your documents from us.